In this video, we will explore the interfaces between the warehouse process and other modules in SAP. The warehouse process in SAP does not operate in isolation. Rather, it is an integral part of a fully interconnected system landscape composed of various functional modules. This integration ensures that all logistical, administrative, and financial processes within the company are seamlessly connected. Materials management forms the foundation for many processes that ultimately lead into warehouse operations. A purchase order initiated in the procurement process not only triggers a sourcing activity, but also prepares the goods receipt process in the warehouse. Once the goods arrive, they are received physically and posted as a goods receipt in the SAP system. During this step, the purchase order is automatically referenced, allowing details such as quantity, supplier, and material number to be transferred without manual input. This integration ensures that stock levels are updated correctly and the procurement process is completed accurately. In the sales and distribution module, the warehouse process begins with the sales order. As soon as this order is entered into the system, an outbound delivery is created, which in turn triggers picking in the warehouse. Picking is therefore directly linked to sales processing. Once the goods have been picked and packed, the goods issue is posted. This reduces the stock level in the system and serves as the basis for billing. This interface between warehouse management and sales ensures real-time visibility into delivery capabilities, delivery dates, and product availability. The production planning module is also closely tied to warehouse processes. Production activities require components that must be staged from the warehouse. The system creates production orders from which withdrawal requests are generated. These lead to picking in the warehouse and the transfer of materials to production. Simultaneously, new finished goods or semi-finished products are created during production, which are then stored back in the warehouse. SAP EWM thus supports both the supply of production lines and the feedback of produced items to inventory. Another important integration is with quality management. Many goods receipts, especially for sensitive or regulated products, are subject to quality inspection. In SAP, this inspection can be embedded directly into the goods receipt process. Before the material is transferred into available stock, it is first placed into a quality inspection stock area. It remains there until the inspection results are confirmed. The material is only transferred to the available stock once it has been successfully released. This integration ensures a high level of quality assurance right at the interface between incoming goods and warehouse management. The financial accounting module also has key interfaces with warehouse operations. Every time materials are stored or removed from stock, the corresponding inventory values in the company's balance sheet are affected. SAP ensures that each relevant warehouse posting is automatically and accurately recorded in financial accounting. This tight integration between physical transactions and financial postings is essential for a transparent and compliant approach to enterprise financial control. Additionally, there is an important link to transportation management, particularly in companies with high shipping volumes. SAP Transportation Management supports the planning, consolidation, and execution of deliveries. The handover of goods from the warehouse to transportation is carried out in real time and is fully documented, ensuring a seamless flow of information. In summary, the warehouse process in SAP is not a standalone function, but rather embedded in a wide array of modules that together enable an end-to-end flow of materials and information. The close integration with the various modules ensures that warehouse movements not only take place quickly and efficiently, but are also always documented in a traceable, correct, and legally compliant manner.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.